Welcome back. Gusty and cyclonic winds on Saturday took away the roof of Popular High School at Margao. The school claims heavy loss as the computers, laboratory items and equipments got damaged due to heavy downpour. The building structure also got damaged with the soaking of water. The building will be repaired completely only after the rain subsides.
Gusty and cyclonic winds on Saturday left the Popular High School in this state. The chairman of the Popular High School, Avadut Parrikar, said the loss is not yet estimated but could be huge. Fortunately, nobody was injured in the accident as it occurred during off-school. Staff members who witnessed the accident escaped unhurt.
इतल्यानी एक प्रकार चक्रीवादळ कशें कितें आयलें आनी भितरल्यांतल्यान हें वचून विदीन 1 मिनिट एका मिनटा भितर हें सगळें डिस्ट्रक्शन जालें. सो आतां प्रॉब्लेम म्हणजे तो सगळे नळे पडल्या कारणान भितर तें उदक वता आनी ताज्यो वण्टी तश्यो पळयल्यार त्यो हाज्यो आसा मातयेच्यो ते तर सबंद रात तर ते तशेंच उरत जाल्यार त्यो सगळ्यो वण्टी फुगतल्यो. पण डॅमेज कितें जाला? डॅमेज म्हणजे आमची सगळी बुकां आशिल्लीं, लॅब आमची हे गेले, सगळे इंस्ट्रुमेंट बी द्याले. तरी आमी रोखडेच इमिजिएटली आमी कॉम्प्युटर आलेले पण थोडे कॉम्प्युटर हे जाले म्हणजे भितर उदक गेले आनी ताज्यामुळे ते शॉर्ट सर्किट कशें जाला. एनी हाव वी हॅव नॉट एसेस टोटली वॉट इज द डॅमेज एट टू एसेस पण खूप डॅमेज जाल्या.
With the monsoon at its peak, students and the staff have right now no other option to bear the situation as the damaged building will be repaired and renovated completely only after the monsoons. Savio Dias for Prudent.
Netherlands defeated Brazil in third-place playoff match on Saturday, pushing Brazil to the 4th position. Host nation Brazil's miserable run of form at the World Cup continued with a 3-0 loss to Netherlands. This was Brazil's last chance to overcome, to some extent, the memories of humiliating 1-7 loss to Germany in the semi-finals, but they lost the last one too. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.